Augustine of Hippo, De Magistro, Episode 2. Augustinus, etiam tunc nihil aliud quam docere nos vella intelligo, nam quaero abste utrum ab aliam causam interroges, nisi ut eum quem interrogas doceas quid velis? Ariadatis, verum dicis. Augustinus, vides ergo iam nihil nos locutione nisi ut doceamus appetere. In the previous portion, Ariadatis asked the question about why we ask questions. He said, when we ask questions, is it not to learn something? Augustine's reply is, even then, nothing other than to teach. Nos vella intelligo. I understand that we desire, nos vella, we want, even at that point, etiam tunc, nihil aliud quam, nothing other than teaching. That's what we desire. The main verb is intelligo. Vella is dependent upon it as an object. The object of vella is docere. The subject of vella is nos, which is masculine, plural, and accusative, because the subject of an infinitive, vella, is always accusative. For, Augustine continues, I ask this from you, quaero abste. This is what I'm asking you, whether, utrum, whether you ask someone ab aliam causam, because of any other reason, if not that, nisi ut, if not that you are teaching doceas, you are teaching eum quem interrogas, him whom you ask, you are teaching him what you want, quid velis. The main verb of this sentence then is quaero. I am asking this from you, and here is the object of quaero, the utrum clause, whether, if not. It's two parts, utrum nisi, whether you are asking for any other reason, if not that, you are teaching him, and then we have a relative clause, quem interrogas, him whom you ask, and then the object of doceas is quid velis, you are teaching him what you desire. Ariadatis answers very simply by saying verum dicis, you are speaking correctly. Augustine then draws the conclusion, ergo, therefore you see, vides, that we are seeking nos appetere. I find the comma here highly misleading, and it would be better if it were excised. Therefore you see that we, nos, masculine, plural, accusative, the subject of appetere, that we are seeking, nos appetere, nothing now, or at that point, in our speaking, locutione, feminine singular, ablativus instrumentalis, ablative of instrument, we are seeking nothing when we speak, except that we teach, nisi ut doceamus.